Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Otoland snorkeling gear. Perfect for beginners, which is designed for leisure surface snorkeling, saving your time fussing with equipment and setting aside more time for enjoying your snorkeling experience. Suitable for all ages, beginners and experts, and kids and adults. Double air flow channels and permanent anti-fog treatment on the lens make it completely no fog, no more chemical anti-fog treatment needed. Also, dual chamber design and innovative tube prevents leaks or water from entering the mask. Incredible 180 panoramic view allows you to enjoy the underwater world with crystal clear visuals. With special design, you can easily attach your camera to capture and share your adventure with friends and family. Full face and one air exchange channel provides the best way to breath under the water. It's easier than ever to breathe comfortably through your mouth or nose while you are snorkeling. The dry top and floating ball can prevent water from swallowing into the mask. Also, you can drain away the water by raising up your head. For details, let's watch more. Our second best snorkeling gear for beginners is Z-Port snorkeling gear. This is a high-quality snorkel with a dry top valve that seals the breathing tube when submerged. Dry top snorkel is designed to keep water from entering the breathing tube. Ergonomic silicone mouthpiece is comfortable and durable. Lower purge valve allows water to be quickly expelled, so you can enjoy easy and unobstructed breathing while diving underwater. It has flexible adjustable Trek fins, which is longer, lightweight, and the responsive blade assure a kick that is fluid, effortless, yet at the same time quite powerful. Trek fins with open heel style and adjustable strap. The foot pocket and the strap are made of long-lasting rubber that ensures a comfortable fit. The Z-Port blade delivers excellent thrust with a modest kicking effort, perfect for your snorkeling or diving adventure. Made of a 4-window design for a panoramic view with tempered glass lens and hypoallergenic silicone skirt, Z-Port snorkel mask can withstand underwater pressure while diving and snorkeling. Ultimate comfort. The diving mask skirt is designed with soft and flexible silicone, and the food-grade silicone mouthpiece is safe, creates a watertight seal with the any driver's face and attached to your mouth perfectly without any peculiar smell. Third choice in our list is tongue-tie snorkeling gear. It is high-quality dry top snorkel, that unobstructed breathing dry top snorkeling mask. Dry adult snorkeling set is designed with a splash guard and purge valve, which can prevent the water from entering the snorkel when you descend below the waterline. And it designed to keep water from entering the breathing tube. Food-grade silicone mouthpiece is comfortable and durable, so you can enjoy easy and unobstructed breathing while snorkel gear set underwater. Made of tempered glass and food-grade silicone material, and tempered glass with anti-fog treatment reduces fogging. Snorkel mask makes you enjoy charming ocean view. It comes with strong rapid action buckles to adjust the strap. The foot pocket and the strap are made of long-lasting rubber that ensures a comfortable fit. Snorkel mouthpiece is made of food-grade silicone material. comfortable and durable, so you can enjoy easy and unobstructed breathing while diving underwater. Have adjustable Trek fins that the blade delivers excellent thrust with a modest kicking effort, perfect for your snorkeling or diving adventure. Number 4 in our side is Xenoplege snorkeling gear. This snorkel set includes swim goggles with nose cover, dry top anti-splash snorkel and adjustable swim fins. 3-in-1 package to meet all your needs for swimming, snorkeling, free diving, scuba diving and other water activities so that your travel for underwater exploring would be much more wonderful. It can also be a good assistant for junior lap swimming and diving learners. A wide and clear view in water is one of the most important aspects for divers. The big 2-window design of snorkel masks give you a panoramic underwater view to catch more great scene. The anti-fog technology used for lenses make you have an unobstructed vision. Qualified tempered glasses can withstand the water pressure while snorkeling and diving. Soft silicone skirt well sealed to prevent it from leaking. Adjustable strap offer a just suitable wear experience. Blades maximize power of kick with minimal effort and translate it into speed. Open toe and drop shaped mesh fins instep provides multi-channel for drainage to reduce resistance. Open heel with adjustable strap fits various foot type sizes, barefoot or with water socks or shoes. Quick release buckle make it easy donning and offing. Last in our top 5 best snorkeling gear for beginners list is Scuba snorkeling gear. This snorkeling set for adults comes with fully adjustable head straps and a high-grade silicone face skirt which molds to fit virtually any face shape. The ribbed design provides extra support and ensures a watertight seal. The advanced anti-splash system prevents water from entering the snorkel and the purge valve allows for easy clearing and draining water out of the snorkel. These ProTable short fins are ideal fit for any backpack or travel. The short blade is made of a highly reactive and light material which guarantees agile and effective kicking while not tiring out your legs. Foot pocket is made from soft rubber elastomers, great deal of comfort, even during long swimming sessions. The light fins are specifically designed for swim training, but can also be used adequately for recreational swimming and snorkeling. Enjoy maximum underwater visibility. Advanced lens-shaped design and tempered glass with anti-fog treatment means you'll have a crystal clear underwater experience, especially for beginners. One-piece glass design enables better and wider vision underwater. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.